Return to Touch and Touch.
Hello friends, welcome to Touch and Fetch. Today I am going to show you unboxing video of OnePlus Wireless Bullets Z. Let's move on to the video. Bullets Wireless Z has good battery life. We can just charge for 10 minutes and listen music up to 10 hours. Full charge gives 20 hours of listening time and it has magnetic control to simply separate the earbuds to start listening. And when you are ready to pass, just clip the earbuds together. Sweat and water resistance designed for sports. Double press to switch between two recently paired devices. Another very useful feature is quick switch, which lets you pair two devices with the earphones and quickly switch between them by double tapping the quick switch or pairing button on the neckband. The Bullets Wireless Z offers very good passive noise isolation. Just putting the earphones in will effectively block out a fair amount of outside noise, including the rumbles of engines and the humming of a ceiling fan. This box contains one pair of Bullets Wireless Z, 3 silicone earbuds, one USB charging cable, user guide, safety and warranty card. The Bullets Wireless Z offers Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity and it's backward compatible with older Bluetooth specifications. The signal range is excellent as you would expect from any Bluetooth 5.0 audio accessory. The Bullets Wireless Z is very useful for anyone planning to make a lot of calls, include 9.2mm dynamic driver and super bass tone in each earbud. It has a neckband design with power button on the neckband and has inline volume, music and call controls. It is priced at Rs 2000 in India, which is much cheaper compared to the US. The construction of the Bullets Wireless Z is fairly straightforward. A rubber band wraps around the back of your neck and two plastic stacks from the ends.
Do the joy. Dan Abel Daniel. Thank you.